What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Side Yard Mechanic. We got our 2006 Toyota Highlander. We're going to be changing out some dome lights. These ones in the rear don't work. And these up here got some little bugs up in the lens. We're going to go ahead and do a little upgrade. And we're going to be putting some of these LED bulbs. So for the back, we got these DE 3175, and then for the front we have the 168s. So I just picked these up at O'Reilly's. They cost me about 45 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and see how they work. So there's a little tab here where you just get on the inside and you're gonna pry it towards the center like that on the front. And then the back should fall out. Clean all those little bugs out of there. Then inside you should have your bulb, which you should be able to just pull out. Kind of hard to get your chubby fingers in there. Alright, so I'm not able to get this bulb out just with my fingers. You might have better luck. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this screw right here and pull out this reflector piece and see if I can get the bulb out easier like that. And now we should be able to grab a hold of that bulb a little better. There we go. This little wedge guy. So once again, these are the ones we're using in the overhead map lights. These are super bright LED Sylvania 168. Okay, we got our new bulb. I'm going to just go ahead and slide that into the socket there. Oop. Well, that's not good. It just pushed into the headliner. So you flip down the sunglass holder, pop these little covers off, and there's two screws. I'm assuming that's what will take this housing out. So once you get those screws out, you can just pull this down, and I think there's some little push tabs here. Okay, well, we got our little socket out. I think this might be the actual way to do this. Take those two screws out, pop this down, and then you could pull this socket out of here, put the new bulb in, and this guy just goes in and turns to make contact right there. There we go. All right, let's put that back together. Okay. So to put this back in, of course, put your connector, and then you're gonna slide this end into the headliner. There's two push pins that need to snap into place, and then you're gonna go ahead and put your two fasteners, one here and one here. Then you close these little covers. Okay, test out our lights here. There we go. There's those. Okay guys, so as you can see, we got the fronts done. We got to work on this back one. It was kind of a pain to kind of get the recording of that. But what you do, the easiest way to do these is you pop the lens off. Let me see if I can put you guys down here. I don't know if you can still see. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Pop the lens off. There's the two little recesses. And then there's these little spring tabs here. Kind of work it out. There's a connector. Okay, so now what you're going to do is once you got this out of the headliner, you're going to go ahead and flip it over, and then with a little flat blade screwdriver you could pop this little cover off. like that. Take out the old bulb. So it's spring loaded. You have to compress this little guy here. Go ahead and get our new bulb open. I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy in here. It's kind of hard. It's kind of a weird thing, but if you get it in there and then you compress it like that. It was really hard to do this from the inside. So then you just put that back together. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and reestablish your connector here. Make sure not to bend the tabs over. I'm trying to do it one-handed. That's why it always looks like sometimes we don't know what we're doing. Okay, and you're just gonna get this back up in here like that. Okay, put your lens back on. There we go. All right, so here we are. Got the new lights installed. Let's see what it looks like when we unlock it. Ooh, it's pretty bright. It's like the sun shining in here. Feels like a new car. Oh, I don't know why the back one doesn't work. Maybe we got that on the wrong setting. Oh, maybe that one only opens when the door is open. It's set to door. Yeah, I guess the cargo one only comes on when the hatch is open. So there's that. All right, well, there's that. That's how you install the lights on a early Highlander 06 in this one in particular. Thanks for watching.